Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to assemble this Helikon-Tex Range Chair. First, there's two parts. The first part is the poles. These poles are made of aluminium, then from a Korean company called Snowline Technical Mountain Gear. Then it's actually printed on the poles itself, so you can see or not. Yeah, okay, these poles can withstand human weight up to 150 kg. So this is the pole side. Then for the fabric side, right, it's made from 500 Denier Cordura fabric. Then on the back of this, there's a patch panel and you can see the Helikon-Tex logo. Okay, when assembling, right, remember to go in from the top first. Then for the bottom, you can use a bit of body weight to assist. On the side, they gonna give you this on both sides, they gonna give you this bottle holder. Can fix in a Nalgene 1 liter 32-ounce bottle. Then on the three corners, right, there's this grab handle. The side left and right one is paracord material. Then on the top is nylon. This is thicker grab handle. Then the patch panel here is about 4 inches by 2 inches tall. Then other than that, the back itself, right, if you are not using for the chair, it's a nice bag. It's also made from 500 Denier Cordura fabric. Probably you can use this to keep your spare clothing or towel when you go out for training or gym. Then it's a nice bag. Then currently this range chair, right, is available in Multicam. Then there's shadow grey and also Coyote brown.